This video walks you through adjusting the L-TWOO mountain bike mechanical rear derailleur. Before you start, please review these keynotes. First, press the shift-up lever repeatedly until it locks. Use a 5mm hex key to loosen the cable fixing screw counterclockwise, and release the shift cable. H-limit screw adjustment. Use a 3mm hex key to turn the H-limit screw, aligning the guide pulley centerline with the outermost face of the smallest sprocket. Tighten the shift cable, thread it through the cable fixing screw's groove, and fasten the screw clockwise with a 5mm hex key. Keep the rear derailleur stable during this step. Set the chain on the smallest chainring and smallest sprocket. Rotate the chainring slowly, then turn the H-limit screw clockwise half a turn at a time until the chain rubs the second smallest sprocket. Next, turn the H-limit screw counterclockwise a quarter turn each time until the noise fades completely. With the smallest sprocket dialed in, move to the next one. Proceed to adjust the next sprocket. Shift calibration. Press the shift down lever once to move the chain to the second smallest sprocket. If the chain won't shift to the second smallest sprocket, turn the shifter's fine-tune knob counterclockwise half a turn each time. Once the chain shifts over, keep turning the fine-tune knob until it rubs the third smallest sprocket. Then turn the fine-tune knob clockwise a quarter turn at a time until the noise stops. This gear is now calibrated. If the chain still won't reach the second smallest sprocket, when the fine-tune knob is fully counterclockwise, reset the knob clockwise to its start position. Loosen the cable fixing screw, retighten the shift cable, re-secure the screw, and repeat the process. Shift the chain from the largest to the smallest sprocket. If shifting is sluggish, turn the fine-tune knob clockwise an extra quarter turn to boost responsiveness. When shifting to the largest cassette sprocket, if shifting is sluggish, turn the fine-tune knob counterclockwise an extra quarter turn. Expect to make multiple small adjustments for peak performance. L-limit screw adjustment. Press the shift down lever to move the chain to the largest sprocket. Situation 1. The shift down lever won't press further, but the chain can't shift to a larger sprocket. The L-limit screw is too tight. Loosen it counterclockwise a quarter turn each time until the chain shifts smoothly to the largest sprocket, no noise included. Situation 2. The chain reaches the largest sprocket easily. The L-limit screw is too loose. Press the shift-up lever to shift back one sprocket. Tighten the L-limit screw clockwise half a turn each time until it feels over tight. Then loosen the L-limit screw counterclockwise a quarter turn each time until the chain shifts smoothly to the largest sprocket. Keep pressing the shift down lever. When it won't move and the guide pulley stops shifting inward, you're set. Tension screw. Position the chain on the largest sprocket. Use a 3mm hex key to adjust the tension screw so the gap between the guide pulley and the largest sprocket is 5-6 mm. Rear derailleur adjustment is complete. Run through multiple shift tests to confirm smooth operation. Thank you for watching.